How to change a cover photo without notifying anyone on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Facebook application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Here, what you simply need to do over here is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device and then select on your profile icon at the top right corner. So here, let's tap on the cover photo or add cover photo. I don't have any cover photo, but if you had, you could simply tap on it and select on upload photo. Now you can select any of the photos over here, and as you do that, you can simply add the photo. So I'm going to select another picture. Let me just select another picture over here, and as we add the picture, here you have the option of share your update to newsfeed, which has been toggled on. So you just need to toggle off this option and then tap on save. So as you do that, you'll be able to change the cover photo without notifying anyone on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.